So I've not done any videos for a few days. I thought I'd just kind of catch people up with what's going on. So I've got this Hornet in, stunning condition. Runs, rides brilliantly, everything works. It's only got a month's MOT left, but I can get one put on. It's got a full service history. It's got working heated grips. It's got the windscreen deflector. It's got a rear back box, and it's got a pyramid rear hugger. They're 150 quid on their own, them. Doesn't overheat, clutch is perfect, tyres are good. It's a great bike. That's just ready to go. I only picked it up today, but I'm just going to give it a bit of a buff. Nothing major, because it's fine. Bit of a clean, and then I may get it MOT'd tomorrow or the day after, even though it's got a month left. The Monster's still here. It's Aiden's bike. Just waiting for him to do his test. So it's fine. We're just storing it for now. Stunning bike. Absolutely stunning. Yeah. Benelli Velvet not 125. Benelli Velvet 250. Extremely fast moped. Extremely. I think it's been tuned. This Polini sticker makes me wonder if the variator and clutch has been tuned. Again though, there's no project here really. It's just a great bike. It starts, it runs, it rides, it's serviced, it's got 10 months MOT, and it's ready to go. So not much to do there. That's the Bandit. The Bandit's advertised for around £1,000, but it's actually my bike at the moment. I'm taxed and insured on it, and I'm using it, and it's got an MOT, and it's a brilliant bike. The Hornets are very smooth. They're very smooth. They're fast at the top end, but they're smooth. The Bandits are brutal. They're just more brutal. They want to pull your arms off. Yeah, but they're both kind of similar naked bikes. Now the biggest thing I'm doing is, sometimes on rare occasions you might have seen this popping up. Well, you're seeing it now. It's got all this crap on top. This is an Italyjet Jetset 125. It's got no front shocks. The front shocks were completely seized on it. Now, I've been looking for 2 years to find some, and they weren't anywhere. However, a new company just opened up. It's actually an old company that closed for a year and reopened, so I've just ordered them. I mean, it was a bad idea. I paid 180 quid for forks, and actually there's so much more that this bike needs. I'm going to end up putting a hell of a lot of money into this bike and probably not getting it back. But sometimes it's not always about the actual bike, making money on the actual bike. It's about the bike itself. So a nice Italyjet jet set there that can be put back on the road. It's absolutely in pieces. All the front shocks off, all the panels are off in the front, and it's in a right state. That's the front panel there. I'm not even sure how good of a bike it's going to be, but I want to try and save it. So I've bought the new shocks for 180 quid. So that's it at the moment. I've got I need to get some out the way to be able to do some more real projects. That will be a real project, and that should be starting on Wednesday or Thursday. That'll be a fun one. That's mine, so I'm using it. That's a brilliant bike. Someone should buy it. Aiden's got that brilliant bike. Now this is the last one. So if anyone's interested in a pretty mint condition Honda Hornet, it's got 30,000 on the clock, but a full service history. The oil's brand new. I checked. It's been changed recently. The clutch is great. The tyres are great. It runs and sounds amazing. So obviously, if you're interested, let me know. This one's going to be between 1,000 and 11, depending on what it needs for an MOT.